Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to work with the formatting tools available in the Microsoft Word software. So I'll open software. So let us open a new document by clicking on blank document option here. So to say about the formatting tools, it is available here in the home tab on the font panel. So these are the different kind of formatting tools available on the software. So the formatting tools are used to make your document attractive, or you can say if you want to highlight some of the content on the page, you can make use of the formatting tools. So basically the formatting tools are used to change the appearance of the content on the page. Got it? So now let us try each of the formatting tools available here, but we don't have any content on the page. So what I'll do is I'll copy some data from one of my websites. So now we have some data on the page. So let us apply the formatting tools from here. Let us try the first one, that is the font style. By default it is in Calibri font style. If you click on this drop down, you can see number of font styles available here. You can click on any of it. But do remember, you always select the complete sentence or word or paragraph before you apply the font style. So as you move your cursor on different font style, you can see a quick preview of how it will look. So I'll click on this Verdana here. So in the same way, you can use any of these font styles from here. Now let us try the font size, this one here. So select the complete sentence and click on the drop down, and as you move your cursor over different numbers, you can see a quick preview. So I'll keep it in 12. Got it. In the same way, you can try these toggle button here. This one is the increase font size and this one is the decrease font size. So if you select the sentence and if you click on this increase font size toggle button, the font size keeps getting increased, and if you click on the decrease font size toggle button, the size keeps getting decreased, and you can see in this box what is the current size of it. So now it is at 12 and I'll keep it in 12. Got it. Now let us look at the change case option over here. So if you click on the drop down, you can see number of change case options. Let us try each one of them. So select the sentence first and now click on the drop down and let us click on sentence case. That means only the first letter of the sentence will be in uppercase and all other letters will be in lowercase. So that is the first type. Now let us select the complete sentence. Now come to the drop down, click on lowercase. That means every letter in the sentence will be in lowercase. Got it? So select the sentence again, come to the drop down and click on uppercase. So all the letters in the sentence will be in uppercase. So let us select the sentence again. Now let us try to capitalize each word. So that means the first letter of each word will be uppercase and rest all the letters will be lowercase in each word. Got it? Now let us try the toggle case. That means you will see the opposite case of how the sentence was. So currently the first letter is capital here and all the other letters are lowercase in every word. So if I click on toggle case now, you can see it is exactly the opposite of how it was just now. So the first letter is lowercase, all the other letters in each word are uppercase. Got it? So let us select the complete sentence and click on uppercase. Got it? So this was basically about the font style and font size and text case. We'll look at the other tools in the next video. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.